Finally, let's customize your iPhone for daily comfort. Open setting to just important option. You can change brightness, volume, and sound easily. Brightness, sounds, volume. Go to notification to control which apps can send alert. This helps reduce distraction. Check battery setting to see which apps use the most power. You can also turn on low power mode when needed. With the right setting, your iPhone will work better for your lifestyle.